do something good for your mom. Okay, so my mom had this for a year, and if you don't see all that's hair, see the brown? Yeah. So if we put this in hot boiling water, all the hair can get out. See all that water? It's hot. So we keep it in there. See? The hair is slowly coming out. When you do this, you might want to wash your thing because it will have hair all over it, all over your sink. So yeah. And stay tuned for part 2. Yeah, I only show one thing. But yeah, you'll flip it over, keep it like that so it gets all the hair out. See that? It's slowly coming out. So that's why we use that to get all the hair out. To get all the hair out. And like I said, part 1. Yes, we have 1 billion of these to do. Did you hear I say 1 billion? Like, oh, look at all that hair coming off. Okay. Okay, you want to flip this over. Yeah. 1 hour later. Looks like it's coming off a lot. I just want to pull some off, you know. There you go. But yeah, this is Help Your Mom Out, part 1. And if you ever want to see more, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss any video. Goodbye.